Hey friends, if you encounter high RAM usage by system process on Windows, then please watch this video. Now I'll tell you what is the difference between this and high CPU usage. So if you search for Task Manager and then go to the Task Manager, and then in the Task Manager you go to you expand it and go to the Memory tab. This memory is basically RAM or random access memory. So if you are encountering high CPU usage due to this, first of all you should check what is causing high memory usage, because memory is supposed to be random. And in this case, saying that I will shut down startup programs and all, okay, that is one part of the solution, but it is not the complete solution. So we will proceed accordingly. First of all, search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and go to system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, okay, and then restart the computer. So this is one thing. Okay, but this may not be the complete solution, because let's say we have disabled a few startup programs. Yes, it can ease the CPU usage, but it was not supposed to impact the RAM usage, because most of these programs run in the background. So first of all, check the RAM that you have. If it is low, let's say that you have upgraded from a Windows 10 computer to a Windows 11 computer, which has significantly higher RAM requirements. So if the RAM is lower than 8 GB, here's my suggestion: go to amazon.com or bestbuy.com or any website, and then search for RAM. Let's say you are using DDR4 RAM, so search for DDR4 RAM and then install the latest RAM on your system. Okay, this is what you have to do. This way you can overcome a lot of problems. I will suggest buying extra RAM, because it is anyway cheap these days. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.